On the satellite image behind me, we can already see the next cold front approaching the country, reaching the southwestern Cape on Friday morning, with the Traffic and Weather Service already issuing warnings for damaging winds and waves. So let's have a look at your Friday forecast. A wet, windy, and cold Friday for the southwestern parts of the country as another cold front reaches the country on Friday morning. It seems like winter has separation anxiety here in the southwest, but ahead of that cold front on Friday, we are expecting warm to hot conditions over the central and northern parts of the country. Northwesterly winds blowing gale force strong here along the southern coastline. Ahead of that cold front on Friday morning, on Friday afternoon, gusting winds of up to 100 kilometers per hour in parts of the Cape provinces, where the Traffic and Weather Service issued a warning for damaging winds. Winds also picking up along the southern coast on Friday evening, with gale force winds expected here behind that cold front, and a warning for damaging winds in those areas as well. We are expecting wave heights of up to 9 meters along the southern coast, 7 meters around the southwestern coast, where the Traffic and Weather Service also issued a warning for damaging waves. Our rainfall map showing scattered to widespread showers here in the southwestern parts of the country on Friday, around the city of Cape Town, the Winelands, and the Overberg. Later, isolated showers possible in parts of the Northern Cape, and scattered showers around the Garden Route and the adjacent interior. But in the Western Cape, it will be an unpleasant afternoon with wet, windy, and rainy conditions. This can cause uncomfortable driving conditions, so please travel safe in those areas. Only 16 in Cape Town and Hermanus, 16 in Worcester as well. An icy cold westerly wind blowing along the southern coast. Scattered showers possible around George and Plettenberg Bay, with 20 in the afternoon in George, 19 in Plettenberg Bay. But quickly heating up ahead of that cold front in parts of the Eastern Cape due to bergwind conditions. Temperatures reaching 30 degrees Celsius in Adelaide, Bishu, 32 the afternoon in Mthatha. It will be windy at times, therefore runaway fires are possible in parts of the Eastern Cape. In KwaZulu Natal, quickly heating up with temperatures reaching the upper 30s, 37 the afternoon in Ulundi, 35 in Pietermaritzburg, windy at times in parts of KwaZulu Natal, with runaway fires also possible there. A windy day for parts of the Highveld, with 28 the afternoon in Secunda, 29 in Sannerton, quickly heating up in the Lowveld to 36 the afternoon in Skukuza. Also hot in parts of the Lowveld of Limpopo, with 35 the afternoon in Hoedspruit, warm in the Bushveld with 31 in the afternoon in Tabazimbi. A cold morning for Vryburg with only 5 degrees there. Later it will be windy but sunny, and temperatures around 30 degrees Celsius with 31 the afternoon in Klerksdorp. In the southwestern parts of the Northern Cape, it will be cold and windy, gusting winds of up to 100 kilometers per hour possible around Sutherland, a temperature of only 8 degrees the afternoon. But ahead of that cold front, we are expecting things to heat up to a maximum of 28 the afternoon in Uppington. A cold morning in parts of the Free State, with 3 in Forest Smith, 5 in Bloemfontein. Later, lovely sunny conditions, but windy at times, with 27 the afternoon in Bloemfontein. In Gauteng, it will be a windy day, but warmer again, with 30 in Pretoria, 28 in Johannesburg. On Saturday, we are expecting rainy conditions to continue here in the southwest. Light snow is possible around Sutherland, with only 7 degrees the afternoon there. The cooler weather now spreading into KwaZulu Natal, but remaining warm in the northeastern part of the country. And then on Sunday, temperatures slowly recovering here in the southwestern part of the country, with Sutherland now reaching a high of 17, but the cooler weather spreading into Mpumalanga and Limpopo, with only 16 in the afternoon in Mbombela. Rain is possible in those areas, but then Gauteng, you'll have lovely braai and rugby weather with 29 in the afternoon in Pretoria. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your Friday and please be safe.